Hi, Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about some of the Stream API questions which are going to ask in the interviews. So I have collected some 15 questions which are asking related to Stream API. So if you are familiar by doing this kind of problems using Stream API, then you will get idea how to solve a problem whenever an interview is asked to write the code. So these are the some most important questions given. Uh, okay uh, let's solve the 15 questions. Here I am given, and for that I have created the employee class. In this employee class I have created id, name, age, gender, department, year of joining, and the salary. I have created constructor with fields, and I have created getters and setters, and I have written toString method. Okay, and here I created test class. In test class I have created some of the list of employees. I added some list of employees into the list, and here are the some questions, 15 questions. uh, these questions, when we are going to solve these 15 questions, then you will get an idea to solve any kind of stream API questions. You will get an idea to solve. So let's start our video. See here what they are given: how many male and female employees are there in the organization. These are the list of the employees. Okay, in this employees, how many we have male and female employees. Okay, what he's asking: how many male and female employees are there in the organization. Okay, we have to count how many males and how many females are there in the organization. So let's write the code with stream API. Yeah, yeah, here what is the list? The list is the employee. Emp dot stream dot. Yeah, we have to group the male and female employees, and how many male and female employees are there. For that we have to take grouping concept. So for grouping, collect, we are going to collect collectors. Collectors dot grouping by. We are grouping the male and female employees. So for grouping, we are taking employee e dot get gender, yeah, comma, how many employees are there. Yeah, how many male and female employees are there. For that we have to collect collectors. Collectors dot counting. Yeah, this will give gen gender. We will get the gender male and female. These are the response will come in the map format. We are grouping the gender and how many members are there. It is counting. So this is the collectors dot counting method. Will count according to the gender. We will get a map. We are getting a map with string with long value. Okay, I am taking this as a reference variable as a map, and here I am printing map. Let's run our code and check. Yeah, we have 11 male and female 5 in this list of employees. Okay, and here we have got, here we solved this problem. I'm commenting it. And next problem: print the name of all departments in the organization. Okay, we need to print the all the departments in the organization. Okay, for that emp dot stream and converting the list into stream, uh, and here what they are going to do, what they are saying, they are saying to print the name of all departments. Okay, for that we are taking, for that what we have to take filter or map. Yeah, so we have to take the map. Okay, map employee e dot department dot for each loop I'm taking sysout e. Yeah, we are we are giving the list of employees and converting to stream, and we are mapping to each, we are mapping the departments. Okay, we are getting the departments of all the departments, employee with all departments, and we are printing each department name. Let's run our program. Yeah, here what it is coming, development, sales, security, infrastructure development, finance, sales. So it is repeating multiple times, it is repeating, so it should not repeat multiple times, so its duplicates are coming. So distinct, distinct, yeah, distinct will eliminate the duplicate values. Okay, let's run our program. Yeah, these are the departments, 6 departments which are available in the list. Yeah, this problem got solved. Next, what is the average age of male and female employees? We need to get the male and female employees whose total male and female employees average age we need to get. So for that we are taking emp dot stream dot collect collectors dot grouping by. Why we took grouping by? We need male and female employees. For that, employee get gender. Yeah, this is the method reference concept. By this we are getting the gender, and here average age. So collectors dot average age is int, and employee double colon get age. Here you will get map. So here employee double colon get gender. In this place, okay, we can write lambda function also e dot get gender. Okay, here also we can write the lambda function, but I given the method reference. Here we are getting the map. Now print the map. Let's run our program. Yeah, map in the male we have 29.81 is the average age. For the females, 27.2 is the average of this employee list. Yeah, this problem got solved. Now this one, get the details get the details of highest paid employee in the organization, means who are getting maximum salary in the organization. So for that, emp dot stream dot the maximum salary. So for that, we are going to collect collectors dot max by, we want to get the maximum salary, comparator comparator dot comparing each employee's salary, employee column get salary. By this we are comparing each and every employee salary and getting the result. As optional object, we are getting the optional employee object. Sys out optional dot get, we are getting the optional object employee. I'm getting that employee and printing in the console. Yeah, let's run our program and see. Yeah, employee id 8, Suresh, age 31, gender male, department development, year of join 25, salary 34,500. Let's check 34,500. Yeah, see, this is the 34,500. Is no one is getting more than this salary, so this is the highest salary. Yeah, we have solved this problem. Next, so this is the problem. Get the names of all employees who have joined after 2015. He is asking all the employee names who has joined after 2015, the year of joining, right? This is the year of joining. Okay, this is the year of joining. So for that, after means greater than, emp dot stream dot filter employee e dot year of joining greater than 2015 dot get the names of all employees, map employee e dot name dot for each. Yeah, we can print system dot out double colon print ln. This is a method reference. By this we can print the names of the employees who is greater than 2015 year of joining. Let's run our program. Kathy, Geet and Nitin, Butler, Ashok, there are the names who was in 2015. See, Kathy for 2016, Geeta 2016, Nitin 2016, Butler 2017, Ashok 2018. It's greater than 15 only. Yeah, we have solved this one. Now, question number 6. Count the number of employees in each department. In each department, how many employees are there? Okay, for that, okay, mp dot stream dot, okay, number of employees in each department. So for that, we have to group department and the number of employees. Okay, collectors dot group by employee get department, comma, collectors dot here we are getting the all the departments, count the number of employees in each department. We are getting each department and count here. Here grouping is a map sys out map. Let's run our program. Sales 3, finance 2. Okay, first check sales 3, finance 2. Sales here 1, 2, 3. Finance 2, finance and finance. Correct. Here the output is correct. Yeah, let's comment the code now. What is the average salary of each department? What is the average salary of each department? Okay, for that emp dot stream dot what is the average salary of each department? We need to get the department of average salary. Okay, for that we have to collect collectors dot grouping by employee get department. We need each department and the average salary dot collectors dot averaging double, salary is double in double, so averaging double, employee double colon get salary. Here we are getting the map sys out map. Let's run our code. Salary sales have this is the average salary, in finance this is the average salary, in the departments this is the average salary, and infrastructure this is the average salary, and HR this is the average salary. Yeah, we got all the departments average salary. Okay, this is all, and get the details of youngest male employee in the development or development department. Get the details of youngest male employee in the development department. We want male employee in the development department. Who is the youngest? Who is the who has a less age in the organization? Okay. Here emp dot stream dot we need to take the male and department. For that filter employee e dot gender dot equals male and e dot department dot equals to development department. Okay, for that we are going to collect youngest male who has less age. Okay, collectors dot, or we can take directly min comparator dot comparing, or you have to compare employee get age. Here we are getting the optional object. Sys out optional dot get. Let's run our program. This is the employee Nitin, age 25, in the development department, gender male. Yeah, see, this is the less age, youngest male, age 25. Let's check here. Here age 25, within 24 Geeta. Yeah, this is the youngest male. He is the youngest male. Okay, this problem got solved. Now, who has the most working experience in the organization? Most working experience. Who's the oldest? Means who's the old person in the organization? Okay, so it will be getting by year of joining. Year of joining, whose employee has year of joining is less than is the most working experience in the organization. Okay, emp dot stream dot, you know, most working experience max collect collect collectors dot min by employee get year of joining comparator dot comparing employee get year of joining. Here we are getting optional object, optional sys out optional dot get. Let's run our program. Yeah, ID 7 Ramesh, age 35, year of joining 10. Anybody is there less than 2010? 2010. Year of joining. Nobody is there less than 2010. Yeah, then he is the most working experience in the organization. This problem got solved. Now, 10th problem. How many male and female employees are there in the sales team? How many male and female employees are there in the sales team? Okay, so in the sales team, for that emp dot stream dot filter employee e dot We are taking filter because we are going to filter this in the sales department. So e dot department dot equals sales dot, in the sales department where two male female employees are there, how many? For that, collect dot collect collectors dot grouping by employee get gender comma collectors dot counting. Here we are getting the map. Sys out in the map here. Here we are taking the sales department. We are filtering the employees having the sales department, and we are grouping the gender and counting in the sales department. Let's run our code. Yeah, female 1 and male 2. Yeah, this will be correct. The sales Smith 1 male, female Geeta, and male 2, right? Butler. Yeah, female 1, male 2, correct. Now, 10th question. What is the average salary of male and female employees? What is the average salary of male and female employees? So we have to group. You have to group the male and female employees. Average salary, okay. Right. emp dot stream dot collect collectors dot grouping by employee get gender comma collectors dot averaging salary rate double employee get salary. Here we are getting the map sys out map. We are getting the gender male and female, the double average salary. Run our code. Male, this is the average salary, and female, this is the average salary in the organization. 11th problem got solved. Next, 12th one. List down the names of all employees in each department. List down the names of all employees in each department. Okay, we have to, okay, in each department we have to list the employees. Okay, emp dot stream dot emp dot stream dot each department we have to group. We have to group the department and the employee name. Okay, first group the department. Collect collectors dot grouping by employee get department. Here we are getting them. Here we are getting the map. The string is the department name and the list of the employees. Entry set department list list dot entry set Yeah, this is the entry set, and here for each we are taking for each entry string, comma, list of employees, list of employee, and here, yeah, this is the entry set. You can take as entry set. Here we are taking entry, entr entry colon entry set. Here entry dot get key. Here we are getting the key. This out. Here we are getting the key. We are separating the line, and here we are going to get the values. Entry dot get value. Here we get the list of the employees. List for each employee e colon li. We are taking each employee, and we are going to print the names. Sys out e dot name. We are getting the entry dot get key. We are getting the key in string, the department name we are getting, and we are separating with the line department, and we are printing the list of employees with the name. Let's run our code. See, in the sales department we have Smith, Geeta, Butler. In the finance department we have Ramesh, Swati. In the development department Varlan, Suresh, Nitin, Sanvi is available. And in the infrastructure we have David, Gauri, Ashok. In the HR department Jansi, Charlie. The security department Kathy, Mahesh are available. Yeah, this is about the 12th problem. That's all. And here that is the problem. What is the average salary and total salary of the whole organization? Average salary and total salary. Okay, amp dot stream dot collect collectors. We have one method that collectors dot summarizing double. Salary means double, right? Employee get salary. We have the option of a double. Summarizing double of total salary. Here 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 average salary. Average salary is total dot get average. Here sum total salary. Total salary get sum. Here summing, we are doing total sum of the salary, and we are getting the total value, and from this we are getting average and total sum of the salary, total salary. Let's run our program. Yeah, average salary is this one and total salary is this, and 13th problem got solved. Now coming to 14th, separate the employees who are younger or equal to 25 for those employees who are older than 25. What they are going to ask here, they are asking separate the employees who are younger or equal to 25 years from the employees and who are older than 25 years. Let's separate the employees. amp dot stream dot collect collectors dot partitioning by employee e dot get age greater than 25. We are getting the map. In this map dot entry set, yeah, we are getting the entry set here. Boolean, yeah, greater than 25, true or false, and list of employees. Yeah, greater than 25 employees are there, if it is true, and list of employees are there. Okay, and here now we are going to collect the keys. Okay, for loop entry boolean value, boolean list of employees, list of employee, and entry colon entry set. Yeah, here boolean is the key and the list of employees is the value. Okay, if entry dot get key, this out, employees are older than 25 years. Why you are taking here employees are older than 25 years? Here we are given that we are partitioning here, we are partitioning that employees age greater than 25. Here we are getting the key as 25, greater than 25, then employees are older than 25. Okay, else we have greater than 25 employees, age is greater than 25 and age is less than 25 also. So for that we are separating, else sys out the employees are younger or equal to 25, equal to 25 years. Okay, here we are separating line. Now we want value, entry dot get value. We are getting a list of employees for each employee E colon LIS. You're getting each employee. For each employee, what separate the name, separate the employees who are younger, equal to 25. Okay, we are separated, and we are going to print the names of them. E dot name. Let's run our code. Same plus or younger are equal to 25. Are equal to 25. Oh, who's Smith, Geeta, Butler, Ashok? So let's check the Ashok first. Yeah, Ashok, yeah, age 23. And Butler 24. And Nitin 25. Geeta, Geeta 24. Yeah, this got separated. Young are equal to 25, right? And employees are older than and more than 25 years. Jansi, it is Jansi 32, right? David 29, right? Yeah. Here, what we are get is the correct one, correct result. Yeah, let's comment this code. Now, who is the oldest employee in the organization? Oldest means age, not working. Oldest means age, come to age. Okay, okay. Employee string dot collect collectors dot max by. What we can say max by in the sense who has the maximum age, then he become the oldest employee in the organization. Max by comparator dot comparing employee colon get age. With this age we are getting what option object, optional sys out optional dot get. Yeah, here we are getting the employee object. Now run our code. Yeah, id 6 Kathy 43. Kathy 43 who is having more than 43 age. Let's check. Yeah, 43. Yeah, this is the maximum age. Yeah, Kathy is the oldest person, oldest employee in the organization. Yeah, this is about the stream API questions. That this is how we are going to solve. Yeah, you can practice and you can learn so that you can perform in the interviews and also in the companies. Okay, these are the basic questions which are going to ask in the interviews. Okay, thank you for watching.